thunderstorm warning for western Franklin County, southwestern Fayette County, Indiana, until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Santee, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations and tactics include Batesville, Oldenburg, Lake Santee, Blooming Grove, Metamora, Laurel, Peppertown, Andersonville, Hamburg, and Buena Vista.
Alexa, búscame por Melo en YouTube. Pero se sienten.